So in this video, I'll be making this beautiful coily afro wig, and if you're interested, stay tuned. So what you're going to need is a mannequin head, a knitted wig cap, a crochet hook, and your fibre. I'm using Darling Softex rough thread in color 4/27. And I'm just cutting it to length so I get 3 pieces from this long piece. It's quite easy to pull apart because the fibre itself just shows you where to pull, and make sure to be gentle to minimize frizz. To crochet the fibre, just take the crochet hook, put it through the net, loop your hair onto the crochet, pull through the crochet, and then loop the hair around itself multiple times until it's secure. I'll be demonstrating this throughout the video. It's essential that when you're working at the back to space out your crocheting, that way the hair doesn't get full too quickly. I like to also apply the bricklayering method when it comes to crocheting because that allows for spacings between the crochets to be closed. One mistake that I made was to not stretch out the wig cap evenly throughout the mannequin head. And as you can see here, the holes are really bunched up together, but in front they are quite widely separated. So to avoid that, just evenly spread out your wig cap. It's really important to visualize how you want your hair to lay, and that will play part in how you crochet your hair. The great thing about this crochet style is that the closure is so simple. You just crochet a lot of pieces around the center so that it closes out the wig cap. So now what you can do is just go back and close out any gaps that you see. Yes, I know that's a big gap, but I didn't want the hair to be too puffy, but I saw that it wasn't, so I didn't have a problem just closing out that gap. So now the wig is ready to get cut and styled, honey. Please be careful. My advice is to just go slow and easy. You can honestly go back and cut more, but you can never bring back that fiber. So I continued cutting the wig on my head just so I can frame it to my face and have it suit my frame. So another style I thought I could try besides the bangs was a side swoop, and this is how I achieved that. And this is how I look at the end of the day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.